Hi guys, this is Hector. Today is the 20th of June 2007, 40 past 1 p.m. London time. Just wanted to show you today a trade that it's quite a shame it took off. I was looking for the GBPJPY for London Open Breakout type of trade. In fact, I was following this setup. If you saw yesterday's video, I was following this setup all day long here for a London Open Breakout type of trade, okay, in the direction of the main market sentiment throughout the week. Yesterday we didn't get the breakout, okay. Instead we've moved sideways. We moved sideways all day long, okay. So basically this morning when I woke up, I saw this setup. It was price was somewhere around here. We've seen a few days moving to the upside. Yesterday was basically a consolidation day, very tight consolidation day, consolidation area around there, okay. I'm marking it right now in the chart. So I said, alright, this looks good. We've been yesterday we've been moving sideways all day long throughout the night, throughout the Tokyo session. We've been also moving within that sideways channel. Well, Hector, this thing looks very good for a breakout to the upside. London Open Breakout type of trade in the direction of the main trend. Two things that somehow got me, let's say, confused, or at least, well, I decided to, just give it a pass or stay in the sitting on the bench for today as far as this currency pair goes. First of all, as London Open, we saw a nasty spike to the downside. It was at least 30 pips deep, okay. It's not like we just pipped below, okay, below these range boundaries, okay. This was a very nice dent, okay, very deep dent of, like I say, about 30 pips, alright. That kind of scared me away, alright. Even though price continued to immediately after it resumed its upward momentum. Also, we had the minutes coming from, which, as you know, coming from England. As you know, the minutes is and interest rates decisions, decision-related fundamental announcement, and basically anything that's related to the interest rates is the most important announcement that you can have in Forex, alright? Which is quite a shame, because if you look at the 15-minute chart, alright, this thing has basically been moving upwards, okay. It's already run 150 pips for today. Like I say, it's a shame. If you notice, let me zoom in a little bit for a clear view about price action. Okay, here we had a breakout, okay, in momentum. You see that green large bar. Then it topped out here and retraced back to this level. This 15-minute bar closed at this level, meaning that it went back up all the way up, then it retraced back down to former resistance. This is the channel top, to former resistance level, now working as support also around the 245.50 area. Okay, we shoot up, we retrace, we see a couple of bars around this area. We just can't break to the downside, and immediately after we make the next bar, okay, this bar I am marking right now, we make a new high, and that signals the overall sentiment for the rest of the day, okay. basically a valid breakout pullback continuation, even though we didn't get a red bar. Okay, I like to have a visual confirmation of the breakout with a red bar, but you know, it's not about the color of the bar, it's about price action reading. And well, as far as the price action reading goes, we did get the breakout, the pullback, and the continuation. Okay, so it was indeed a valid London Open breakout type of trade. Like I say, I didn't profit from it. First of all, this was a warning signal. Okay, this 30 pip spike to the downside. You know, it kind of kind of scared me away. But also, most important of all, we had the minutes announcement coming from England, and like I say, that's an interest rates related news, and you don't want to mess with those. Okay, it's always best to stay out of the market until those anything that's related to the interest rates. Okay, central bank interest rates decisions, or a central bank governor or chief, or the head, however you call that in English. I don't know how to say that in English. You know, the main guy at the central bank, whenever he's about to release an important speech that might affect the interest rates, you might want to stay in the sideways, okay, because like I say, you know, it's always dangerous. Okay, the interest rate decisions or interest rate related announcements might easily spike price up and down for you know, dozens of pips, if not hundreds. Alright guys, that's all. Just wanted to show you a nice London Open type of breakout that I personally didn't profit from. Okay. For the time being, I'm not in any trades other than the GBP USD trade that I took yesterday. As you know, so far it's about I don't know, about 80 pips, 82 pips in profit actually. So I'm, you know, looking good so far. Okay guys, that's all for today. I'm going to have lunch now. Bye bye.